Have you forgotten the password of the online banking service of Chase Bank? If you have, then you have come to the right video. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a great time. This is How to Geek and today I'm back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of resetting the password of the online banking service of Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end in order to find out how you can do so. First of all, go to the web browser of your choice and in the address bar type www.chase.com and hit in. You'll then be redirected to the official website of Chase Bank. Now, at the right side of the screen, you'll be able to see an option, Forgot Username or Password. Click on it. The first thing that you need to do is confirm your identity. For that, you need to provide your social security number or tax ID and account card or application number. If you don't have a social security number, click right here. You'll then be asked for date of birth instead. And after that, click on Next. Then follow the further instructions provided and give all the details that will be required to reset the password of the online banking service of Chase Bank. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, How to Geek. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.